Hi folks, I am Kiran Malebabu, currently pursuing my MBA from IIFT, batch of 2022. I did my schooling from APRS Nagarjun Sagar, which is a very well-known school in our state. During my 10th standard, I was a Mandal level topper. After completion of 10th standard, I have secured admission to the prestigious university of our state called as Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, which gives admission to the only top 1% of the students from entire state. I have completed my plus 2 and BTech in ECE from RGKT Basar. After that, I have been working with the TCS as a system engineer. Uh, During my tenure at TCS, I got a chance to work with the clients from various countries. I closely work with the clients from US, UK, Russia, China, Japan, Malaysia, Brazil. I have a rich experience of understanding the client requirements and delivering them on time without missing on the uh, timelines and not compromising on the quality. During my tenure at TCS, uh, we were given one project from our client manager, which involved managing the complete data details about the 1500 websites. So I led a team of 7 members and we collectively worked together and completed the project without missing deadlines, and we have received several appreciations from our client manager and our TCS manager. So I am also an awardee of Star Performer of the Month at TCS. So I am a hardworking person and who is self-confident and who is amicable, easily mingles with the people. So this quality differentiates from the rest of the people. I love networking with the people. I almost interact with all my colleagues at my workplace, and I am a self-confident person. Let me give you one example from my life. During my BTech third year, we wrote the end semester examinations, and for the first time in my life, I got a wrong result as a failed. Till date, I did not fail in any single subject since my school days onwards. But by looking at the result, I felt dejected. I felt very sad, and I thought, what went wrong? My self-confidence helped me to resolve the issue. Actually, because of human error, my marks were wrongly sent to the head office, and I figured out my self-confidence helped me to figure out that problem. Later, I almost spent 3 months sleepless nights, and I approached our college administration and made sure that that issue was resolved by submitting all the proofs. So this self-confidence helped me to rectify that problem. My self-confidence is my strength, and my friends who were in the same stage, they did give up, but I did not give up. So I would say I am a person who doesn't give up on things easily. So I'll fight till the end to get the resolution. During my free time, I spend quality time with my friends, and especially after coming from the office, I like to spend my time with the kids, which gives me immense relief and relaxation from the stressful day at work. Uh, I listen to music whenever I find some free time. I am a huge fan of Arijit Singh, especially I love his melodies. Uh, when it comes to my weaknesses, I am a bit sensitive. Thank you.